We can add a border around our Visio 2019 drawing simply by going over to where it says Design, and you'll see where it says Borders and Titles. So we've got several different borders that we can choose from, so I'll just go ahead and choose one here, and we can see the border at the top. The strange thing about this is when you try to go edit where it says Title, you can't do it. You try double clicking, all different things. There's just nothing that you can do to edit it in its current state. So what you do is look at the bottom and you see V background -1. So you click on that and it looks like it makes it smaller, but what it actually does is just makes it an entire page all in one setting. Now you can double click on your title and you can see now it turns gray, and we can say new title or whatever we want to do, and we can go ahead and click back to page 1, and now it's locked in so it can't be edited. So that's how you go in and add a border and also edit the title in Visio 2019.